Did your laptop screen suddenly turn black and white, and now you're wondering what just happened? Don't worry, you didn't break your laptop. This is actually a simple setting, and I'll show you how to fix it right now. This happens more often than you think, especially when a shortcut gets pressed by mistake. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to bring your colors back in just a few steps.
First, try this simple shortcut key. Press Window plus Ctrl plus C. This turns the color filter on or off. If your screen was switched by mistake, this should fix it immediately. But if it doesn't, double click to open your settings. When you open it, go to Accessibility, double click it, and then you see color filter. Open it and scroll down. You see that color filter and you see it's turned on. Turn it off, then your color is back. So I believe the short key and this second method should solve this issue. But if it doesn't, make sure that the color gray and inverted colors are turned off.
If your screen is still black and white, try updating your display driver or checking Windows updates. But in most cases, steps 1 or 2 will fix it. If this helped you, just tap like. It helps more people find this fix when they need it. Now you know why your laptop screen turned black and white and how to fix it in minutes. If you want more simple laptop and phone fixes like this, subscribe.